This conference will now be recorded.
In this session, I am discussing about getting help in Linux. So if we want help of any commands, we can use these options: man command, info command, help command, and we have some documents in this folder. So suppose we want to know about any command. So man, we can give man ls. So we will get the help. Man means manual page. We will get the help for ls command. So ls command, we know there are a lot of options are there. Why we are using the ls command, all will be showing when we are doing the man and ls command. So it will be opening now. So in man, they have different options are there, like the different sections. Man 1 means it will show about commands. Similar, and another popular one is man 5. 5 means it will show the configuration files. So this 2 is for system calls, library calls, and 4 is for special files like device files. 6 is for games, miscellaneous. 7 is miscellaneous. 8 is system administration commands. So kernel routines. So these all are different sessions are there. When you do simple ls, it will show why we are using ls command, and also all the options it will show, like ls-a and ls-l. So all these options we can see from here. We can use page up and page down, up arrow and down arrow also we can use. So if we want to come out, we can do q. So when you do q means it will come out. So as we discussed, so there are different sections. First is for commands, 5 is for configuration file. So you want to see the special section, we can give this option. So for example, I am going to give this man1 password command. So password is a command. So if any user they want to change the password, you can give the password command. So man1 password means it will show the first option. So here we have given the number directly I am giving. So it will show the command options it will show. So when I do this, it will show how the commands, how the command is using, and what are the options for the command. For example, password command having lot of options. So we can lock user account. So we can change the password. So update the user authentication token, or we are changing the password. So it's a password utility used to update users authentication token. So we can go down and we can see all the options or the password command. So we can see lock. When one password we can lock means if you want to lock, we can give L, or if you want to unlock, you can give password -u, and all these options we can give. So we are discussing one means it will show the command options. So when I use man5 password means it will show there is a configuration file. We can see here, this is the configuration file format, configuration files and all it will show. For example, if we are changing the password is changing in a configuration file. So that file details and everything, so it will be showing the password file details it is showing. We can see that first is for the commands, and this is for the files, etc password and all it will be showing. So we can see that password file is a text file, and all information about it is showing from here. So what are the contents of the password file? So there is a file called password file is there. So all this password file details it is showing. Uh, so mainly this is password file, and mainly the password, this is the user informations are stored in the password file, and mainly passwords, encrypted passwords are stored in another file. So that file also we can see. Man5 shadow means we will see the information about the shadow file, etc shadow file. It is having the encrypted password. So it will show the details about this file. uh, so it will showing that shadow password file. So it will show encrypted password and file format and everything it will show. So any commands, we can see the help of any of the commands we can see from here. So I can just directly give man mkdir. So why we are using the mkdir command? If you want to see, just give man mkdir. So man ls, man cp, all these commands we can see from the man command. So it is opening now. So in this mkdir command having some options. So p means parents. It will create all the subdirectories. So we want to create a directory, a tree we want to create, we can give -p, we can give. So all these command options are showing here. So we can also give another command, info command. So if we want to get help, either we can use man command, also we can use info command, we can use info ls and all we can give. So here also we can get the help using this info command. So we can just do tab and all we can give. So it will get some URL. It will be like a hyperlink. When you do tab means it will show to some thing like hyperlink, and if you plus enter, so it will go to another page. So if I do tab means it will go to something like a hyper link. It will click means it will go to another page. So if you want to come out, we can do q, we can give. So info is also command. We also help option. So if we want to get about help about any command, you can give this command. So info pwd means it will show why we are using pwd command. So info is a command. We will get information about different commands. Pwd is using for printing working directory. All are showing. Q means it will come out. Similarly, we have another command ls command. I want to get the help, so I can give -- help option also I can give. So I can see that. So all the options of the ls command we can see from here. So it is scrolling down. If you want to see one by one, you can give more option. If you do means it will show one by one. It will be showing screen by screen. So otherwise it will scroll down. So we can do q for coming out. And so these are all the three options. One is man info and help command. So also we can go to user share docs folder, share doc folder. We can see some documentations are available. So there are some pdf documentations all are available in this folder. So every program having its folder here. So if I want to get the help for m means I will go to cd m3 hyphen 3.4.3. So when we go to this folder, we will get the help for this m program. Like every folder we have a help option is there. So this in this directory, whenever we install some application, so the application having its will be having a folder here. So they have a corresponding documentation will be here. So also we can get the help from Linux documentation site we can use. So if you search in Google, if you search in internet, we can go to the Linux documentation project is there. So there is a documentation for all the commands and all utilities. We will get the documentation from here. So this session we will be discussing about how to getting help in Linux. Any commands options we want to see, we can use man command. These all are small case man command, info command, and we can give a help command we can give to get the help about or any commands we want. So thanks for watching.